In this video, David Martin demonstrates how Perspectium Observer allowed CERN to identify and stop a process that was creating a performance problem in ServiceNow.
So here's the observer, and this is one of the standard metrics. So basically, you have some groups of metrics that you can select, and the user access one is like a typical, well, the 3 typical indicators, which is the number of logged in sessions, the number of semaphores, and the average response time for the whole server. So you can hide or show the different metrics. You can select the time. You can slide the time. You can select 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, things like that. So let's go and see a recent problem. And for that, I'm going to use another group of metrics, which focuses on the logged in sessions for all our different nodes. And if I go back to 1 week ago, we'll see that there was a peak there that was not intended, because so the peak on the right is actually intended. It's because CERN has a CERN search engine that is scanning our CMS, our service portal, every week. Okay, so it creates a bunch of sessions, then the sessions last for a while, and then the sessions disappear. But this one was not like that, and so if I'm going to try to show the alerts as well, and go back. Okay, I'm doing something wrong, I think. Here they are. Okay. So as you can see, when the number of sessions started growing that day in a quite fast way, we started having automatic alerts in Observer, and these alerts actually generate emails to the people that we want, that we specify that they should get emails. And so, well, it was a bit late that day, but we started getting these alerts, and then we went into ServiceNow. We looked into the transactions, what was happening, and it turned out that some machine at CERN was reloading one of our pages as fast as possible, and every reloading was creating a new session. So what we did is that we blacklisted the IP around this time, and then it stopped. And after that, we checked who was the user behind the IP. We contacted the user, and the next morning he apologized. He said his browser had gone crazy for some reason, and it was reloading the CERN service status board, which is a page in our CMS in our portal. For some reason, it was reloading it. It's like you were pressing F5, F5, F5 all the time. So this was one example.